Hi, this is Likith. I am from Kalpatra Institute of Technology. I did my B in the stream of computer science. I joined JSPIDERS 3 months back, and in JSPIDERS everything is good. Even placement and training is good. I got placed within 2 months of my training, and my everyone in the training was good, Bhuvan sir, Keshav sir, and Syed sir. Everyone was good, and aptitude, everything was good. I like the way they taught me in the training, and they'll do mock and presentation, which helps more in technical round and one-to-one round, and even the group discussion which they do during the presentation helps us even in the interview and after the interview, that's on the company. So this is what I felt in the JSPIDERS, and this is what the feedback of mine. Thank you.